In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an AI chatbot using N8N in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to build an automated chatbot workflow that can respond to messages and help you get familiar with N8N's AI tools. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open N8N and click Overview. This takes you to the main dashboard where you can start a new automation from scratch. Next, click Create Workflow. This begins a brand new workflow that you'll use to build your chatbot. After that, click Add First Step. Since we want this to act like a chat-based workflow, choose Chat from the available options. This sets up the basic chat entry point for your AI bot. Now click Next Step, then choose AI. This tells N8N that you want to connect artificial intelligence into your workflow. From there, click AI Agent. This is the part that gives your chatbot the ability to act like an AI assistant and process chat messages. Once the AI agent is added, click Chat Model. Here, you can choose any supported model, such as OpenAI, depending on what you want to connect and what you already have set up. After selecting your chat model, you're almost done. Now go to the chat box and type any message to test it. This is the easiest way to check whether your chatbot is working properly and whether the AI agent is responding the way it should. If it replies successfully, that means your basic AI chatbot setup in N8N is working. From here, you can continue expanding the workflow later with more advanced logic, tools, and custom responses. And that's it, you've now created a simple AI chatbot using N8N. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.